kan mail kan. Okay. HTTP semua tahu kan. Sekarang kita pakai HTTPS tapi kita belajar balik lah. Sebab kita nak simple kan. HTTPS nanti banyak cerita dia kan. HTTP yang clear text ni senang. Kita tengok yang version tak version baru. HTTP pun ada version baru kan. Kita tengok yang simple saja. Okay. Simple HTTP server design. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP is a simple ASCII-based protocol that operates on the client-server principle. The protocol is a synchronous request or response in which a client makes an HTTP request through a socket and server replies with an HTTP response through the same socket. So the request and response follow a very simple format that can be simple or very complex depending upon the particular need. Okay, so figure 5 ni tunjuk, tak ada tunjuk flow macam tadi kan. Dia tunjuk table ni sebenarnya. HTTP request. Okay, so request daripada siapa? Client. So dia akan hantar dalam bentuk ASCII. Kan, dalam bentuk ASCII kepada server. Dia tulis get space index.html http 1.1. Okay. So server akan respon http 1.1.200. Okay. So dia akan hantar benda ni balik kepada server dan server akan terjemahkan dia dalam web browser. So yang ni tak tunjuk, yang ni tak tunjuk kan date bila connection close, connection type text /html. So maksud dia hantar HTML ke text ke. Kalau dia hantar HTML, so dia akan hantar HTML. Coding HTML ni dia akan hantar daripada server. So server ni akan tunjuk dalam apa nama web browser. Dia akan runkan this HTML code ni. So dia akan nampak cantik lah. Kan dia akan nampak cantik. So server connection kita akan nampak macam ni lah. So kalau kamu guna Wireshark ke apa, tak adalah dapat macam ni sebiji-sebiji ni. Dia akan dapat lebih lah sebab kita pakai HTTPS. Dan kalau HTTP biasa pun dah version berapa kan. Ni kita tunjuk yang basic je. Kan basic saja. Okay. Kadang web page yang kita hantar tu pun besar kan. 2-3 kali kan. 2-3 paket ataupun 2-3 frame. Nak habis kan. Ni kita nampaklah satu frame, satu paket saja. Okay, the HTTP request shown in figure 5 is the simplest possible. Only the request line is provided. The request include the type of request ataupun get. Ada belajar kan option-option dalam HTTP. Get, post, request kan. The file name being requested adalah /index.html. So first file page atau front page kita adalah index.html file kan. And the HTTP version string that is understood by the requested HTTP 1.1. Note the Hypertext Transfer Protocol is documented under RFC 2068. The message flow is based upon a simple stream server and client as shown in figure 9.1. So HTTP is a stream-based protocol utilizing the TCP protocol. Okay. Ada. Okay, simple ni ada juga flow dia in figure 9, figure 6. The HTTP data flow showing the utilized socket API function is shown in figure 6.9.6. Note that this is very simple scenarios. Production HTTP server and client provide more robust control. Okay. So sama macam yang biasa socket bind listen. Client ada socket connect dengan accept. So yang dia akan start write dengan receive ataupun send dengan receive. So dia akan write get yang tadi kan dalam figure file tadi kan. So dia akan write back yang tadi okay dengan HTML code baru dia close. Boleh. As with any other stream socket server, the server begin by creating a socket using the socket function, binding a name to it ataupun using bind, and then announcing its willingness to accept client connection using listen. A call to accept then permits the server to accept new client connection The client, which in this case is web browser, creates a socket and then connects to the server using the connect API function and initialize socket address underscore in structure, identify the server address and port number. Port number HTTP apa? Port number HTTP.
Abang bunuh.
Okay, good. Very good. Kan? HTTPS 443, kan? Now that the client is connected to the server, the client can announce its request. Okay, to retrieve a file, the get command is used ataupun recall from figure 5 balik. To specify the request is complete, the client ends the request message with a blank line. So nak tengok habis tak habis, so last kali dia akan request akan blank line. So sending the request is performed using the right call. So it could also use send. This function are synonymous. So the server receive the request to the receive function, but also could also be performed using the read call. After the client request is passed, the server send the HTTP response. See again figure 5 tadi, patah balik. The response is made up of the basic part, the response message header and the response message body. The header defines certain information that is used by the protocol but not commonly seen by the end user. Kan, memanglah dia dah tukar dalam browser kan. Kalau nak tengok, kamu right click tengok source source file kan dalam browser. Klik kanan nampak source ataupun inspect element ada source code kan. Okay, nampak yang HTML code. For example, the content type HTML tell the client that the message body should be rendered as HTML file. Dah. The body in this case, the HTML file requested by the user in that HTML. Note again that a blank line spread the message header from the body. Tu last kali lah. The right call is shown here to transfer the HTTP response message to the client who use the receive from function to receive the message. Finally, once the dialog is complete, the close function is used to the end the session. Okay. The HTTP server implemented by each of the discussed language provide very basic HTTP service HTTP GET method. To content type will be supported text print dengan text HTML. Tadi kita pakai text HTML kan. The content type will be determined based upon the file suffix for the file to be served. The server will provide the ability to serve file from the local file system which are available in subrepository where the server was started.